get to work with my son, like I never got to work with my son before.
It's a family affair at the Kahn household. Mom Patricia Kahn is a registered nurse, while her son Tarek is a nurse practitioner and the head of the Pennsylvania Nurses Association. They are two of the many Medical Reserve Corps volunteers helping keep Philadelphia safe during the COVID-19 crisis.
I became a nurse because of my mom. Growing up, having a mom as a nurse, I knew nurses. I knew that nurses were cool.
They've given hundreds of shots at different sites around the city, including the mass vaccination clinic at the convention center. Nicknamed the dynamic duo, each beams with pride for each other. But don't let that fool you.
What's it like when you see him? Are you proud? Are you happy? Like, what's that feeling like?
I look over and I'm like, actually, we're a little competitive. I keep looking at his sheet to see if he gave more needles than I did.
Yeah, and I'm giving my mom pointers.
The Philadelphia Health Department tells NBC10 they've been a staple at our testing and vaccine clinics, and it's always a pleasure to have them both help keep Philadelphians safe. We cannot thank them enough. The photos show the journey through the last few months. Behind all the face masks and shields is concern for their patients. They describe it as a humbling experience, listening to them tell their stories.
I've had several patients that when they sat down, they actually cried. I had a young man, he was probably about 28 or 29 years old. He lost his mother, his father, and his aunt.
Both mom and son say they learn from each other every time they are together. They log countless hours on the front lines, but one seems to be getting all the love.
Aaron, the funny thing is, my mom is a celebrity with the Philadelphia Health Department. All of these people who I've never met before are coming up to me and telling me that they love my mom, and I'm like, who are you?
What about me, right? What about me? No, but that's got to make you feel great that everybody loves mom, though.
That's because I'm the oldest head there, that's all.
Laughter and jokes with a message. They hope their story inspires you to give back and volunteer. Aaron Baskerville, NBC10 News.
Oh, kudos to them.